What's up, everybody? Excuse me. Give me a couple moments. Let me share that we're live. We're going to do the watch list for tomorrow and have some fun. So give me a second. Give me a couple moments, guys. Still sharing that we are live. I'll be right with you. All right. Welcome on, everybody. What's happening? Yay, I'm back. What's up? Akintoye. Akintoye. Love saying that. Akintoye. Hey, I love it. Oh, lots of great action for you guys. Action in the markets. Action with the bullish bears. Action in this silly symmetrical triangle on the futures. There it is, right? There it is, guys. Goes, breaks out. What does it do when it breaks out? It comes back and retests. Support, resistance patterns. Support, resistance patterns. Never ends, guys, right? If you guys are new and you're expecting the stock market to change and not be about support, resistance, and patterns, then you're going to be severely disappointed, because that's what it is. Every single day. The one thing that you can always count on with the stock market that will never change is support, resistance, and patterns. Support and resistance and patterns. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Manage your risks. Learn these patterns over and over and over. I'm staring right here at kind of a cup and a handle, right? Cup. Price breaks out, may form a hammer, or it might go and break out, right? So, or it may form a handle and break out. May not be a handle at all. This could be the tiny little handle, and it goes. Again, 2878-ish area right here is your resistance. What's up? Is it Kesar? Did I pronounce it right? Kesar? I bet you I did. But this good old symmetrical triangle, right? Gotta love it. So, I have some great news for you guys. Let me type it in here so I don't forget. No. Oh, did I? Dang it. Oh, I forgot to... Guys, let me fix my OCD here for a second, because I forgot to post the right description in this video. And I do not like when I don't have the right descriptions. Alright, let me get that. So guys, I have the screen that's another screen below me but I have this big Yeti mic in front of my face, so sometimes when I'm trying to like stare at the screen below me, I can't see through the Yeti mic, which is kind of annoying. Huh. So no wonder why I did it. I did it wrong. Dang it. So I must have copied an older watch list thing. So give me a second, guys. I'm going to fix this because this is going to drive me nuts. Aha! There it is. This should work. All right, so do you use no, we always use limit orders, Keith. So we do not use market orders, we use limit orders. Yeti, the Yeti. Gotta love this big Yeti mic in front of my face. Good sound quality. Takes up majority of my area and my space, my workspace. So guys, before I get started, great news. Yeah, market order, man, you got to be careful those market orders. Those will burn you. That's why we like to use limit orders. Limit orders with a little bit of a buffer. You know, give yourself a 5 or a 10-cent buffer depending your trading style. But you could set your limit order preset on hotkeys with a buffer of 5 or 10 cents. So that way, if you want to get in, if you're just buying at the ask or selling at the bid, if you're just doing it without a buffer, then sometimes you'll miss your entry or your exit. Yes, always use limit. If there's one thing you could take away from listening to me right now, always use limit order. Always use limit order. I mean, I guess you could say with an exception on like some of the really big name stocks like Apple or Facebook, if they have incredibly tight bid ask spreads, then maybe, but I still use limit order. Awesome. Glad you guys can hear well. So before I get started, guys, some really great news. We met with our techie people today. As we've been telling you, we're normally pretty cool, just chill with sending out emails, but we put a good hardcore rush on you guys the past couple days because, as our one of my previous bosses used to say that I love dearly, the sense of urgency is now, right? So we were switching because we met with our IT or a techie person today, and as you guys will see, we were not lying. We did raise our rates today to $49 per month or $25 a month paid annually, which is $300, which is still incredible value. So $49 a month or $300 a year for everything that we offer and we'll be offering, got so much more for you guys, is an incredible deal. But the great news is I got him to do a little bit of tweaking, and I don't like red, ugly-looking lettering on our website, but for the sake of purposes, people tend to pay attention to red and gaudy-looking colors. So if you look at the red underneath when you sign up, we did for a very limited time only. We are grandfathering all new members into our legacy pricing of $9.99 a month or $99 per year. It's a very limited time offer, and once it expires, all new members will be paying the price above. There is no catch. At checkout, please enter the promo code LEGACY10 without the quotes if you're signing up for the monthly plan, or LEGACY99 if you are signing up for the yearly membership. So yes, a couple questions because we've been getting slammed with emails. Number one, if you're paying if you're paying $9.99 and man, I can't talk. If you're paying $99 now or $9.99 now, you will be grandfathered in. There's nothing more you have to do. No need to send us an email because we're just going to shoot you back an email back saying, yep, you're all set. So save yourself the email. You are all good to go. Nothing more you have to do. You do not need to re-sign up again. You're good to go. You're converted over. Everything is great. If you're a new person signing up and you haven't yet, when you go to sign up, you'll see, just to show you guys I'm not lying here, $49 right here a month. All you got to do right here at checkout, take this code LEGACY99 or LEGACY10 right over in here. Bada bing, bada boom, LEGACY10. See if I'm a liar. There you go. Locked you right in at $9.99 a month. There you go. or 99 bucks if it's on the yearly. So bottom line, guys, very short window. We want to hook you guys all up, guys. We're not greedy. We're just, again, we're growing. We want to make sure you're all taken care of. And there's back in my old sales days, they used to have a 7-touch thing. They would say it would take at least 7 touches to talk to your customer before they sign up. So we're giving you guys some more time because, guys, we don't we want you all locked in, good pricing. Again, new members that are coming in, guys, compare our pricing, 49 bucks compared to everybody else out there. Again, we're not trying to be compared to everybody else, but again, people compare pricing, right? There's trade rooms that are anywhere from $200 to $300 a month with all the stuff that we have offer here. So 49 bucks or $300 a year, it's cheap. But 10 bucks a month or 99 bucks per year is cheaper than 49 or 20 or 300. So bottom line, very simple. If you're a paying customer now, you're locked in, you're good to go. If you're not and you're new, sign up now. If you know somebody that wants to sign up, just shoot them over this page over here. Everything's good to go, and you'll be good to go. That's my sales pitch. All right, let's talk some stocks. Let me see what you guys are saying. Today, Gabriel says, today I bought some stocks low and tried selling them high. Then I realized I didn't bought them in the first place. So, Chambers, you do not have to re-sign up if you're a member. So, that's that. That's my sales pitch for you guys today. I went a little bit longer because, guys, this is very important. This is going to be going away in the very near term. And if you can get it at 10 bucks or 99, share it, share the link, get your friends, all that good stuff. Tell your friends, your family, your relatives. Buy them a birthday gift or something, or a Christmas gift, or whatever holiday you celebrate. All right, so let's get into some stocks. Futures, again, breaking out of the symmetrical triangle. Goes back, goes out. Now it's retesting, so we'll see if it bull flags, continues up with that 28.78 area as resistance, or if it's going to fail and do a cup and handle. We shall see. All right, look at the nightly scanner here. So again, when we do these watch list videos, we're looking, when we're doing our watch list in general, for stocks that have held their highs on the day for possible continuation up, or hold their lows for possible continuation down, whether we're going long or short. Or, again, many times we'll look for stocks that are overextended for shorting on the way back down to moving average lines, or stocks that are oversold looking for possible dip buys. I try to get stocks that are above moving average lines or right near across for you guys, or right below near across on the way down to give you guys some room to go. So those are the things that I'm looking at. Again, many times when the market trades sideways or gets a little bit wacky, it gets a little bit difficult. That's why they are watch lists. These are not buy signals, or these are not telling you to buy or sell. Even our alerts, they are important support and resistance, breakout or breakdown levels. You have to decide on your own whether you're going to take an entry or not. We are not stock pumpers. We do not call out trades because we are not stock pumpers. If you're wondering how the heck to trade, come join our community, take our free courses, all that good stuff. So, long story short, Able kind of got a inverted cup pattern. Maybe it'll give you a handle. Possibly not. Filled the gap today. So, not sure I'm really digging that one at the moment. Let me see. Yeah, it's a little bit bearish for me, so I don't like this one. ACRX. Hi, Angel, by the way. AMRS. We're looking at this one today. This was on our watch list from yesterday. This one did break out of a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, or an inverse head and shoulders breakout today. And it's looking... It's a bit overextend. It's still, so this is one of those ones that breaks out, could still have some possible movement up. Let me take a look at the weekly. And almost filled that gap on the weekly. Where is that on the weekly? Right over there. That's 780. So it just barely didn't fill. So at this point, let me look at the hourly. I might put this one on now, even though it's a little bit overextended, because I want to see if it can go and break out over that gap on the weekly, right at that. Let's see if it can. I want to see it fill that gap and then see if it's going to go up further. So maybe around that. There's room to run if it can go and fill that gap. So that's why I might put that on for possible continuation day. Hold on 1 second, guys. I got to take this call real quick. All right, guys, I'm back. So Angel. Keith, you're saying I have problems getting in a trade with limit orders and then getting out at the price I want because they fill my order at a higher price. Are you giving yourself a buffer? Because a limit order, what's your buffer? You can. I need more information. So again, AMRS a bit overextended, but I want to see again after it broke out, may want to continue a little bit not looking so hot on the 5 minute, but on the hourly might be pulling back a little bit, setting up, maybe it'll flag here. So that's why I'm going to look at this one for possible continuation. So bit overextended after daily breakout. Watch if gap fills on weekly chart and continues up. 1 hour still bullish. Got that, Angel? So, BLCM, don't like it. Too near moving average lines, rejected off the moving average lines. BNCL, don't like it. Overextended shooting star pattern on the daily. Kayla. This is one I would possibly look at, but I can tell you one thing that I don't like about it. I'm betting that this is a 5-cent spread stock. And I do not like 5-cent spread stocks because these manufactured candles, I do not like them. So this is where I'll guarantee you this is a 5-cent spread stock. Watch this. Right click, create alert, and then watch. Yep, see how they move in 5-cent spreads? I do not like it. I do like the pattern, held its highs on the day, possible reversal. I just hate 5-cent spread stocks. I just don't like the way they go. Angel, that's funny. So I normally would look at this one right here, but I don't like 5-cent spreads. Just my preference, or not my preference. CSTE. So kind of has almost a triple top pattern after it's already filled the gap. So I don't like that. So the gap's been filled and you have a top, 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 triple top. So it's kind of got a bearish pattern after it's filled the gap. Don't like it. What's up, Frank? DDD broke out, overextended, double top. Not liking it. EGY. Now, this one, possibly I would take a look at it because you now have a bearish harami. So this might be a reversal pattern after it's been selling off. So we can see, and kind of a cup and handle intraday trading sideways. So you can see some support around this 220s area, 226, then down here as well. So, you know, if it can get possible reversal pattern, bullish harami, you can see some resistance right around that 274. Let's look at the hourly. So right around here. So bullish harami. Bullish harami on daily. Watch if price continues up over 20 EMA on 1 hour, resistance at 276.50 SMA 1 hour right here. You guys see that? So watching if it can get above the 20 EMA, resistance of that around that 50 SMA with this bullish harami, possible reversal pattern forming right here on the daily. EGY. Again, any of you guys watching right now, any newbies, again, quick plug back. Lots of action going on in the community. Great news for any of you guys that didn't subscribe or sign up. We did change our pricing to $49 a month or $300 a year today. But great news. Read down here. Here's some promo codes. We're grandfathering people into our old pricing here for a very, very, very short period of time. So if you missed signing up, you can sign up. Click on the sign up tabs. Put in our promo codes. You'll be good to go. All right. So back to where we're at here. ETM. High wave candle. Don't like it. FBIO. Don't like this one, kind of breaking out. Shooting star pattern caught in the moving average lines. Don't like it. HTGM. This is one of those ones that I would say no, but then maybe yes, because it's closing above the moving average lines. Big day. Not holding its highs on the day. So you can see 378. So far we're not getting too many on the watch list. So it's not holding the highs, but closed above the moving average lines. Lots of volume on a daily. Let me take a look at the hourly. And so hourly a bit overextended. It is above the moving average line. So this is one of those that you can go, I don't know. So I might put this one on for possible continuation above 378 with resistance. I'd say right around that $4 range. It does have a history of pumping and dumping, so that's where we might put this one on, just to, again, watch us a little bit sluggish today or for tomorrow. All right, so big volume day. Close to overextended. Watch for possible continuation with resistance around $4. Bada boom. HTGM. And for those of you guys that like my term, It's a bunch of garbaccio, right? Garbage. Lots of trading, guys. You can see it. Lots of trading action. Bulls and the Bears are fighting that battle there. And Daniel is asking the question of the day that everybody is asking. If we're already members, we stay at the original rate. Yes. You missed the promo codes. Hoping I got in at $9.99. Well, if you signed up, then you should have. If you didn't, shoot us an email, Jerry, and we will take care of you. Just check your charges and your thing tomorrow. If you missed it, shoot us an email. We'll figure it out and make sure you get taken care of. But after those promo codes expire, then it's going to be too late. So check your billing in the next day or so. Check your bank, and if you didn't get the promo code, let me know. We'll take care of it. INO. So this is one of those ones, double bottom, right? Bottom here, and then it's rejecting right at that 200 SMA right over in here. So now you could say, okay, this is where I stop and I think. I'm like, oh, okay, it's rejecting off the 200. But, Angel, you listening? Double bottom on the daily, caught between the moving average lines, rejecting off the 200. However, even though the 5-minute looks somewhat bearish, you could now draw a line or lines like this. And now you can see possible falling wedge pattern. So kind of a falling wedge in a 5-minute with a double bottom on the daily. Now I'm going to look on the hourly. And now look at that. Bada boom. Right there, falling wedge on the hourly, maybe looking to break out, get above that 457. So even though the hourly is a bit overextended, this may be looking for a double bottom breakout above that 457 level. And you could probably say right around $5 resistance. So this is what I love. I love these patterns. You want to find these patterns and the breakout. So you can look at the setup. You can see a double bottom on the daily. You can see falling wedge in a 5-minute, falling wedge in an hourly, maybe looking to break out. That's why this is the stuff I really like to look for, guys. So how do I write this down here? What do I got to put? Double bottom pattern on daily. Watch for possible breakout above 200 SMA around 460, resistance around $5. Guys, if you're listening, you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, make sure you take our free courses on our website. This stuff takes a while to learn, right? That's where you come in. We have our trade rooms. We do our watch list. Join our community. Got to practice and learn. Doesn't happen overnight. Angel. Akintoye. Can you shoot us an email? I'm going to send you my email because I got to check. If you're not getting alerts, that's a problem because we email them every night. So, BB team at bullishbears.com. Shoot us an email with your name and your email you signed up with, and we'll say why. That's not making sense. What moving average do you use? On my charts here, the blue line is the 9 EMA, the green line is the 13, the red line is the 20, the purple line is the 50 SMA, and the black line is the 200 SMA. Next one. So, possible cut pattern, big green day. Now kind of a double pattern on the bottom, double top on a 5-minute. Let's look at the hourly. maybe a cut pattern. So this is one of those ones that just gets very sloppy to me. Bearish over here on the 5-minute. Possible cup and handle setup, but this is really violently kind of falling, so I'm going to kind of skip that one. APPL or AAPL? So RZ says, can you confirm if there's a bearish engulfing on Apple? Also been a part of the group for 2 weeks now. It's awesome. Thank you guys for everything. You rock. Thank you. Are you meaning Apple, APPL, or AAPL? I'm assuming it's AAPL. Do you mean Apple? Let me see. Bearish engulfing. Yeah, that was this. If this is what you're referring to. That 2 candlestick pattern is bearish engulfing, but now be careful of this hammer. This could screw you up. So that was a bearish engulfing, but now this hammer may be holding. Got those dots of the 5 SMA above. And look at that. Smack you right in the hourly trading sideways. A very difficult one. This is one of those ones that can really trick you. Again, super overextended up here. Where did I leave off? MTBC, bearish candle. Nope. MTSL, highway or kind of inverted hammer, moving average lines. Don't like it. MYSZ, caught in the moving average lines. Don't like it. NPTN, too overextended on the daily. Don't like it. And VTA, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders breakout. Right over in here. Don't like it now after it broke out. Don't like that. Don't like this candle here. Kind of high wave-ish. Daniel, do you offer scanner settings on these watch lists for those of us who use TOS? Yes, I do. Right over on our website under members only videos, you'll see our scanners in there. NVTR. Long-legged slash high wave candle between the moving average lines. Don't like it. OCUL. Another high wave candle, moving average lines. Don't like it. Watch list is stinking right now, guys. ONCS. This is one of those, don't like how it's not holding its highs, but it's maybe getting above it's closing above the 50 SMA. So this is one of those kind of crapshoot ones. Now I'm going to go to the hourly. And now it may be forming a bull pennant on the hourly. So now I would actually put this one on because it's possibly doing, it's a bull pennant possible formation on the hourly. So this one may, again, if this can go and break out, ideally want to get it above 150, then I would look for 167 resistance. So price closed above 50 SMA on daily, bull pennant on 1 hour. If price can get above 150, resistance at 200 SMA on daily. Right up here. ONCS. ONDK. No. Angel, you still with me? I want to show you something here if I can get to it. So now possible tweezer bottoms, bullish harami. If that can get above... Yeah, we'll be doing a bunch of videos, Sean. That's why we made the changes we did today because, you know, with upgrading membership, we have so much more we want to get back to you guys, and we're just growing so rapidly. So this is one I'm like, no, I don't want. Hey, maybe, but I'm not loving it. All right, I want to try and show you guys something, teach you guys, but show Angel as well. This watch list is crappy right now. Yeah, high wave candle, not digging that. Too overextended on the daily, and don't like this. So now what I want to show you guys real quick, watch list is kind of crappy for tomorrow because it's not looking so good. Now I'm going to flip the script, and I'm going to go to the bearish scan. I want to see, whoa, what the heck? That ain't good. There's only 2 on the bearish scan? That actually might. Wow, guys. Huh. This market's wacky. There's nothing even on my bearish scan. This kind of defeats what I was going to show you guys. This can't be right. Let me try. That is interesting. Something's not right with my bearish scanner, I don't think. Angel, can you check your bearish scan, nightly scan bearish, and see if you're getting more than 2? This doesn't make sense. Maybe it's the I don't know why. Well, I'll show you guys on this one. That's so weird. I want to see if ones that are selling off are a possible dip buy or short. I want to see if I can see any possible dip buys for you guys. So you can see a stock like this is like really selling off. Completely selling off. Right here. Fell down. Now you can see possible... right here, so yearly lows right around 38 cents, completely getting destroyed, right? So now I look at a weekly, right now almost at all-time lows, getting destroyed. So this is where I would look and see, okay, watch. I'm not liking it right now because it still has some room to fall. But this is where when you see a stock getting murdered like this, you want to watch if the buyer, this is where like you look for possible star patterns or doji patterns for the reversals when it sells off. So this is where you look at it for dip buys. Same thing when you're trading intraday and all that, right? So I don't like it because it's not near the support. It still has some room to fall, but this is the stuff I'm kind of looking for possible dip buys. So when you can see my watch list kind of sucks for tomorrow, this is where I might go on and try and get maybe a dip buying opportunity. See if I can see any on here that might be good. This has got a cup and handle now on the daily. Not looking so hot over here on the intraday. Yeah, and bearish on the hourly. I'm going to see if I can find one for you guys. Nope. This one's still selling off. Still has some ways to go. So this could be a short, possible short. Let me look at the hourly. So I look at it for a potential short, but it's already so being sold off on the hourly. Not digging a double top pattern. Not digging that one right now. So let's see, CBB complete at yearly lows. Let's see on weekly. That could definitely still fall. Let's look on the, oh, that's monthly. Weekly. So this is one now. So this is where I would say, okay, Angel, this is what I want to show you as an idea, right? Daily, big red candle. It's at daily lows. It's at weekly lows. It's oversold on the monthly. At this point, I might put something on here like this, where I might risk, and I just look at this and be like, okay, if just look and see, if are the buyers going to come in at some point since this thing's getting so murdered? Watch, and I'd put this right here, because now it's, look, at $9.95. I'd put a line. I'd probably put it at like $10, and I'm going to say this. I mean, it's so far from everything. Doesn't mean the buyers are going to come in now, but this is something I'd want to watch, right? You can see so far away from the moving average lines. You can see 1166 resistance, and then right down here. So this is where I would go. I'd shoot for the hourly. You guys seeing this? Your bearish keeps pulling up bullish. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to look at my scanner. So at this point, I'd say, okay, if this thing can get above $10 and above that 1009, it's got some room to 1070 on the hourly. So this is where I would like to say, okay, if it can get above $10 again, might be looking for a reversal. So yeah, so this is what I like to try to find for you guys, is on these reversals, because it's right near that $10. It is a 5-cent spread stock, which is against what I like to put on there, but for the heck of it, for this purposes, I'm going to do it. So super oversold on all time frames. Watch for possible dip buy with resistance at 9 EMA on 1 hour. You got that, Angel? CBB. This is another one you can be like, oh, possible hammer reversal, but too close to the moving average lines for me. Evening star pattern. CMT. Another one really oversold. This might be a 5-cent spread stock. No. All right. Oversold on the daily. Weekly. It still could fall to 923, but it might be bouncing. You see that right here, guys? See a little bit of bounce right down here. Maybe bouncing. Now I look at the hourly. And this is where I'd say, okay, this is something I might take a look at. Bounced right at weekly lows. Might be getting a bounce. Might have some room up to that 1050-ish area. It still could fall right now. It's bearish on the 5-minute still. So this is where I would say, okay, maybe on the hourly, but then on the 5-minute. You're welcome. So this is where, Angel, if you're listening here, I want to show you right here. So I like how it bounced, but then it still might have room to fall down to this before falling to a double bottom. So I liked it until it did this, but it's too close to the moving average lines on the 5, so then I'm like, not going to do that. It's possible, yeah, Daniel, it's possible. I just wish it was like above the moving average lines here. So it might be a short down to the 940s again before it double bottoms. Then it's a possible reversal. Bear flag failure. Angel. So this is another one, Angel. 3 black crows. Super oversold. Super oversold in the daily. Let's look at the weekly. Oh, it's still got... where's that gap? This could still keep falling. There's a gap down over here. So this could fall, keep falling. It's got a descending triangle. So you got to be more careful with these crappier penny stocks. These things keep falling. Buyers might come in, but there's a gap down right here. It could still keep falling. You know, if buyers come in at $1, then you might look at... So the 3 black crows, watch for at some point possible reversal, but it still could... That dollar is very key level. I like seeing this for maybe after it's been super oversold, buyers coming in, but you got to be careful around those penny stocks, man. They could still just keep falling. Yeah, exactly. Good call. CYTX, no. DBD. Dang, this one's just really... So at this one, you have like no man's land on this one. So this is at all-time lows. So this might be a 5-cent spread stock. The bleep. Yeah, it's a 5-cent spread stock. I don't like those. Depot, Office Depot. Youch. Big dump. So this is one, let's see, you can see possible double bottom right here on a 5-minute. Look at the hourly. Hourly kind of double bottoming possible. So this might be a dip by Angel if you're, and then I know you got to go. Failing off, bottom here, a little too close to the move to the moving average lines on the 5, but if it can hold the 775, there's some possible room, you know, back up to this 8-ish range, 809. Let me look at the daily. Right back up to here. So this may watch again if it holds the 50, it can still fall to the 50. But watch for a possible reversal if it bounces off the 50. So this is a kind of, again, if it can get above this 776 marker, there's still some room back up to $8. Again, after it's been... Again, I'm going to put it on watch. So I don't like it right now, but it's one to watch. Oops. Z's. I'm boring you guys, right? Watch if 50 SMA holds. If bounces, may be a reversal with $8 resistance. Above. Yeah, exactly, Daniel. I agree. Again, I'm not loving the stuff for tomorrow. I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of diversity for tomorrow because that's just the watch list kind of sucks. But it happens. I think I'm going to focus, let me see. Let me try and see if there's a bigger price one. I don't really have, let me see if I can find one over $10 for you guys. No. Bunch of garbage. All right, I'm just going to do the, I'm going to do the swing trade watch list and see if there's anything to put on that. See if there's any good setups for swings. McDonald's holding its highs, but right below that 50. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, a little too close to read. It's bullish on the hourly. Kind of a sloppy chart pattern for me. Not really digging it. Yeah, let me take a look at ENDP. Yeah, good eye. A bit overextended. It's one of those ones that, like, I try to avoid getting you guys caught in these when they just break out like crazy and then they just get in no man's land. Let me see in the hourly. Ah, that is setting up. It's got a bull pennant-ish pattern. Yeah, I'm going to put this on. Good eye, Jasmine. Yeah, kind of a sloping or symmetrical triangle, kind of sloping. All right, so that'll be my last one I put on. All right, put on here. Overextended, symmetrical. Good call, Angel. It is overextended, but many times these stocks will break out, get overextended. They keep a bullish pattern, and then there's kind of continuation, right? This is going to either dump or it might get a bounce, and it's, you know, if it can stay above 16 bucks, there's still a dollar. It can go back and form a double top, but that could still move up a dollar or so. So that's where you got to, like, not totally discount it. Symmetrical triangle on 1 hour. See if it can get another push with resistance at 1734. All right, I'm done with the daily watch list. No more. No more. Let's see if there's any of the bigger names we can take a look at. Pfizer. Kind of a bullish engulfing, still a bit overextended. Wait, Creed, are you Jasmine, are you Creed? Jasmine, are you Creedmoor? If so, you're my buddy. Oh. Just realized I was on my girlfriend's account. Okay, now it all makes sense. Every time I hear Creed, I think of Creed from The Office. So your name's, I see Creed Moore. So, got a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. It's American Express. Oof, 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 oof. This one's very tricky because it has like an overall ascending triangle with one candle that broke out, and that messes everything up right now. I don't know if I'm going to put that one on. Facebook. Caught right in the middle of those moving average lines. Cup and maybe handle on intraday. Oh, Cup and handle on the hourly. This one, I just want to keep you guys away from that one right now. Cisco still poking. Needs to get above that 43.82. I don't like the spinning top right now. NVIDIA. Spinning top. Maybe bull flagging. Yeah. I don't like the spinning top. Microsoft was on our watch list to keep watching, but these silly candles still messing. It did go up, but it's a little bit not digging the pattern. Too bearish on Home Depot. I'm actually going to just change this to, I started this as Dow, but I'm going to just put big stocks. Large caps. I'll sound more professional. Large caps. That'll be better. Man, tricky guys, not getting the greatest setups. Target. Still hanging around, but say mark. Tweezer tops on that one. Ooh, double top, tweezer top. Merc. Let's see. Let me take a look at the hourly. Yeah, it's just I want to give you guys some more room to run or fall. I was looking at possible reversal down, but it's a little too close to the moving average lines. Yeah, swing trades are awful right now. Aha. This one, you kind of have a, this is United Technologies. Kind of a big cup. Handle-ish. Maybe holding that. You have one, a hammer, a spinning top, another, what the heck you want to call it? Spinning top. Right here. This may be setting up for a cup and handle. If we can get above a $1.35, let's look at the hourly. Trading sideways. This may be setting up. I'm going to put this one on for a possible breakout. 136.66. What is that? Cup and handle on daily. Crying out loud, come on. Watch if price can break above 135 with resistance at top of cup around 136.60s. UTX. Let's take a look at WMT. Wait, oh, do I not have Walmart on here? You know, do I have Walmart on? I'm going to add that to my list too. Walmart. Yeah, good call with that possible long-term cup. Really slow. Trade right in the center of that. Right in the center of it. Waste management. Yeesh, a little bit too choppy-ish. AMD, good old AMD. Ah, those spinning tops. Good old Apple. Messing with people. Nike still smack dab in the middle. Yeah, I had that on the watch list. I think I probably had that as an alert recently. Careful, it's right in the middle of the channel now. Might be reversing. IBM. Dang, this one I can see a head, or left shoulder head, right shoulder. Come on. Kind of has that inverse head and shoulders, kind of a cup and handle. Kind of a symmetrical triangle. Maybe setting up. Let's look at the hourly. Man, it's messy. It's very challenging. This one's kind of got a bull pennant. I'm going to put IBM on. Let's see here. 146.89. Bull pennant and inverse head and shoulders on daily. Watch if price can break out above 148, 150 to 152 resistance. As you can see, guys, it's been a grind trying to get you guys stuff on this one. Man, IBM. That's it. I'm quitting right now. My arm is shot. I'm getting like tennis elbow or something going on right now, guys. From talking to you guys, typing so much, standing at my computer. Right? Trader's life isn't about going to Bali and hooking up with Instagram models and driving a Maserati, guys. I don't do that stuff, but I get tennis elbow. Wearing copper sleeves and copper wrist things and all that good stuff, right? All right, guys, so Let me give you my quick couple-minute sales pitch, and then I'm going to be done. Jadunzo for the day. For those of you guys that like wrestling, Enzo Amore used to say Jadunzo. I'm going to go Jadunzo. I'm going to give you a quick sales pitch. Guys, I don't know what more to tell you guys. If you're not a subscriber at this point, I really have no clue what else to tell you. Other than we did up our pricing today to $49 per month or $300 per year. So it's basically $25 a month. Guys, this pricing is incredible compared to what you see that's out there. Again, many places charge $200 to $300 a month. So even at $49, we are a great steal. But we are, because we are nice and we love you guys, grandfathering for a very limited time. Trust me, guys, this isn't a marketing pitch. It is marketing. I am marketing to you, but it is for a very limited time. We are going to grandfather all new members into our legacy pricing at $9.99 per month or $99 per year. It's a very limited time offer, and once it expires, all new members will be paying the pricing above. So, very simple. If you missed out, we had lots of people joining our community. But for those who, again, different time zones and yada, 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 right? They tell you when I was in sales back in the day, you had to have to do the whole, you're welcome, RZ. Thank you very much, Sean. They used to say the whole 7 touches, right? You got to touch a customer 7 times before they buy. Well, for crying out loud, if you've been listening more than 7 times and we got to keep touching you, there's a problem. We should smack you across the face and say, what the heck are you doing, right? At this point, guys, it's very, 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 very short window of time. Legacy 10 promo code at checkout. If you're a monthly member, you want to sign up for monthly at $49 a month, but you want to pay $10 a month, all you do is you go up here, you say, $49 a month. Let's go to checkout and sign up. But before you do, just copy that code, Legacy 10. Right here, click sign up. Right up here. As you can see, when you go to checkout, if you don't put that promo code in, you will be paying $49 a month. That's not a lie, guys. We told you. There you go. Voila. $10. $10 is less than $49. Go back to the $49 right over here. Legacy 99. Copy the code. $225 a month, billed annually. What does that mean, right? Click sign up. Oh, that means $300 a year. $25 times 12 is $300. All right, let me see if that promo code works. Bullish Bears. Lucian's lying to me. Nope, it works. $99, guys. This is a very, 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 very short time offer. Sign up if you have not already. Please, guys. We want to keep freaking helping you guys. We don't want to be dealing with, oh my gosh, I didn't get the promo code. Oh my gosh, guys, we've emailed you and been telling you this now for a couple weeks. But there are some people that have been on summer vacation and all that stuff. We don't want to be dealing with one-offs and all that stuff. We just want to move forward, but we want to make sure everybody has a last shot. So tell your friends, tell your kids, tell your wife, tell your relatives. If they haven't signed up yet, you can still sign up for a very short window at $9.99 a month or $99 per year. I'm going to give you a hint. It will be less than 2 weeks' time that we will have this. Less. I'm not going to say a date. Could be a day, 2 weeks, or less. Very simple. That's my sales pitch. Sign up. That's what we got. You're welcome, Marina. Arena says, Lucian, I am a member from last 2 months with per month charge. What happens in a year? Will you start charging me $49 per month? Thanks. No, we will not start charging you $49 a month. This is very simple, guys. If you're paying $9.99 a month right now or $99 per year right now, make sure you have a valid credit card in the system or valid PayPal. As long as you pay that $9.99 per month or $99 per year, you will stay at that price for as long as we're continuing to be in business. If you cancel for any reason, you will end up paying $49 per month or $299 per year, or if our rates are higher at that point, whatever the price is. That's it, guys. That's my sales pitch for the day. I got nothing more to tell you. At this point, we're giving you the world here, guys. Day trade room, swing trade room, futures room, trade alerts, stock watch lists, $3,000 plus worth of courses, members only videos. This screen sharing tab, we share our trade ideas link every morning. That's a $120 per month scanner. You can use our scanner and try it out before you buy it. We do recommend purchasing your own copy of Trade Ideas, but if you're new getting started, try ours out first and then get your own copy. And we did put our merch tab back up for those of you guys that want merch. Put your money where your mouth is, huh? You want the merch? Here's your merch, right? Merch store back up. Look at that lovely Bullish Bears member over here wearing our clothes, ladies apparel, men's apparel. Men, let's see, yeah, there's some Bullish Bears shirts and all this good stuff over here. Hats right here. I have hats right here. These zip-up hoodies are awesome, by the way. You can beat on these things. They're a little bit pricey, but I put them on here because they're awesome. Very comfortable. And per Angel's request, I put the mugs and the gifts back up. Ordered some last night. And finally got these stupid tumblers back in stock. Been forever. Now they're back in stock. Got the tumblers, all this good stuff. So guys, we have merch, all this stuff. We're a big, fun community. And we have lots more to give back to you guys. So you all have a wonderful rest of your evening. Why no stickers? Ah, so you think that I don't have stickers, but watch this. Go back to the merchandise page. And it was funny. I was going to take the stickers off, but then I was like, you know what? Somebody's going to ask me for stupid stickers. And there you go. Stickers. Ba-boom. There you go. Stickers. Buy your stickers right here. $3.59 a sticker. And stick them places. There you go. You want to make a profit in 7 days. With what? All right. And last but not least, guys, if you haven't joined our community on Facebook, you can join us, Bullish Bears, 31,000 plus members, and constantly growing. We keep all the garbage, the spammers, the trolls out. Come and join us. Great place to learn the stock market. And that's it for you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. I will see you guys all in the morning. Enjoy.